Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever been turned off by complicated wallets, gas fees, or confusing blockchain UX, then today's video might interest you. We're diving into XION, XION, a Layer 1 blockchain built to make Web3 as easy as Web 2. No more seed phrases, no more gas fee confusion, no more fragmentation. In the next 15 minutes, I'll break down what XION is, how it works, why it's trending, especially after a big listing, and what to watch out for if you consider jumping in. XION is a user-focused Layer 1 blockchain that uses chain abstraction to simplify Web3. What does chain abstraction mean? It means XION hides all blockchain complexity. No need for wallets, seed phrases, or worrying about gas fees and chain compatibility. Basically, XION wants to bring blockchain to mainstream users and apps who never cared about crypto technicalities. That's a big goal, making Web3 feel like Web 2. Easier login, smoother UX, simpler onboarding. Here's what XION offers under the hood. Meta accounts / walletless experience. Users can sign up with simple logins or biometrics, rather than seed phrases. Gas and fee abstraction. Transactions can happen without users managing gas tokens. XION handles fee abstraction under the protocol layer. Interoperability and cross-chain support. XION aims to support cross-chain workflows, so apps don't get locked to one chain. Ecosystem-ready L1 for developers and brands. Because of its simplified UX, XION targets not just crypto-native users, but mainstream apps, consumer-facing products, and even enterprises. So XION isn't just another blockchain. It's built to remove barriers that keep mass users away from crypto. Let's talk about the XION token, how it works, and why it matters. Total supply, 200,000 XION. Circulating supply at launch is limited. A portion is locked. Utility. Fees and network usage. XION pays for transaction and usage fees on-chain. Staking. Validators. XION supports staking security via proof of stake, POS, or proof of abstraction model. Governance. Token holders can vote on upgrades or protocol proposals. Collateral and liquidity. XION may be used inside ecosystem apps as collateral, liquidity medium. So XION token is more than speculative. It's central to the network's functioning. Recently, something big happened. XION got listed on major exchanges, including Bithumb, one of South Korea's largest. That listing triggered a massive spike. Trading volume soared and price pumped significantly. This kind of exposure matters. 8+ million users in APAC now have access to XION, potentially fueling adoption, liquidity, and real use growth. But with hype comes volatility. So we'll talk about risks next. XION has big ambition, but also big risks. Token unlock and supply pressure. Much of the 200M supply is still locked. Team, ecosystem, backers. When those unlock, price could face heavy pressure. Adoption risk. The idea is great, walletless UX plus chain abstraction. But if dApps, brands, or users don't come, utility stays low. Competition, other chains or L1s focusing on UX, or even massive Web 2 solutions, XION has to deliver big to stand out. Overhype and volatility. After big listing and pump, sometimes price overshoots fundamentals. Always a risk of dump if sentiment changes. So treat XION as a mix of long-term infrastructure bet plus short-term volatility. Do not treat it like a guaranteed moonshot. XION could appeal to crypto beginners / mainstream users. Those who want crypto but hate complexity, walletless UX is friendly. Developers and brand apps want to build Web3 apps for mainstream, gaming, social, e-commerce, without scaring away users with crypto complexity. Long-term believers in Web3 mass adoption. If blockchain needs to reach billions, UX must be simple. XION targets that gate. Speculators and traders. given volatility post-listing could be opportunity, but with high risk. If you belong to any of those groups, XION might be worth your attention.